What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you're all having a great day today. So today we're going to be installing the front lip to the car, which is fucking exciting. But first, before we go to Karen's place to do that, I'll give you guys a cold start. So I actually recently polished these headlights, kinda, and like...
They still look like shit, mate.
Kinda, but like they look a lot better. They're not yellow anymore. So that was literally just polished, like 3-4 coats. Anyway, time to get this lip on.
Sort of.
Kinda.
Kind of. A little bit. We'll attempt it.
Well, yeah.
I can't be bothered being full ass today, so I'm just only going to be half-assed, you know?
You're gonna be half an ass?
Yeah.
Half an ass, that's lovely. So how'd you slot that on? Let's actually try and do it.
Okay, so line it up there, and you just sort of whoop. But then you gotta, to be honest, I put it on here first, and then bend it around.
Like this gonna look mean ass. It's gonna look fat. Yeah. We might. One little issue.
What?
This corner part's starting to break.
Drop your side a little bit lower, man. This side? Yeah, a little bit lower. Yeah, look at that. That looks good, man. Right there. And it's not putting so much pressure on this top section. You know?
Do we reckon we need to jack it up with the wheel off? I don't think
You want to what? You want to jack off? Yeah, bro.
Do you reckon we can jack up and get the wheel off?
I reckon we can jack it off, yeah. We're just gonna jack off Hayden's car. Jack it up and take the wheel off.
Jack up the car and take the fucking wheel off.
Yeah, we're just jacking it off. I think I broke Hayden. Alright. Let's jack off your car. I don't need to jack my car off. I probably should, to be honest. I got a coolant leak somewhere. I just can't be bothered finding it right now. Normally they suffer from electrical problems, but thankfully it's Japanese import, so it gets cooling issues instead. Screw me.
Yeah, sure.
Ah! Hayden just screwed me!
Ah!
It's a good screw.
It wasn't good.
I thought it was a good screw. Yeah. I may have actually munted this one up a little bit, so...
Breaking everything. Told him. It's gonna break my car. No, that one already had that slight kink in it, so...
Screw's a bit loose though.
I think that could be because of the slight, so... Let's see if we can get it on camera. Oh, no, maybe not. Might need some lights. See this little crackage. Yeah, it's a bit of a crack. But giving the lip a quick sand to make it flush.
Nicer, make it flusher, make it look tidier as well.
Yeah,
because unfortunately when you cast stuff, like plastic cast, especially polyurethane and like ABS plastics and stuff, you get all these sharp edges, which they aren't even, they're not straight, they don't look that nice. A lot of people like to do this with a craft knife, but I reckon it's easier just to take a bit more time with your sandpaper, like a 400 grit, or if you want to take a lot off, 220 grit. And it just smooths everything out and makes it look a hell of a lot nicer.
Alright, 3M tape is on, just doing the final fitting. Alright, it's officially on. Hopefully. Nick minute.
And then you can have an hour and a half nap.
Looks bang.
Does look good.
Thanks, Karen. Damn. Damn. Alright, it's about a week later since I've had the lip on the car. It's proven to be quite annoying, actually. I'm gonna sit in the car slightly. Yeah, so, because it hangs about that much lower than the stock bumper, I've realised that getting out of work is a rather difficult time. Scrape on the... It feels like a slope, so I scrape on it all the time. I haven't figured the angle out yet, which is rather annoying, but it doesn't seem to actually do any damage to the lip, so that's good. Looks freaking mean though. For 350 bucks New Zealand, that's pretty damn good. Changes the car a lot, makes it look way more aggressive. Alright guys, if you like this vlog, please do like and subscribe.